Tough guy with big balls, may six-pack yung body. E kung tadjakal kita sa bayag, merong bang six-pack yung ari? Mixed martial artist daw yung schemes at kunwari merong Steve Mazzagatti, pati Big John McCarthy, Dice, ako'y Mario Yamasaki. Yung punchlines unnecessary, a drop bombs on Nagasaki at taapakan ko yung skull hanggang burog at sobrang bloody tila. Ayaw bang mag-start nitong wasak kung Kawasaki? Wasak! At si Boss P pa nagsabi, maladay na wait to set up. Kala ko ba't no UFC? Ba't may UFC banana ketchup? But for the right price, aking hitman ang magre-race back. Magmumukha itong Jupiter pag nilagyan niya ito ng red dots o headshot. Yung worth mo, 140 pesos. The best shooter from Cebu alias Dondon Ontiveros. What? Bars lang! Dondon Ontiveros at literal na off the top, bunbunan nagka-exhaust. Yung dugo, parang coke. Pag hinulugan mo ng Mentos. Fuck!